All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use these. All right, first of all, let's go ahead and pop them open. And if you notice, there's 3 solid lights here, 3 solid lights there, 3 solid lights there. That means they're charged up. To charge these, you've got a USB-C port, which you just, basically do this. And then you leave them for 2.5 hours when you first get them. You want to make sure that they're charged up. Right now, I've used a little bit of the charge on them, so you're seeing that blinking, but we can still show you how they work. So let's go ahead and undo that. All right, so let's go ahead and open them up. If you notice there's red, that means right, and blue, that means left. If you forget, just remember that Republicans are red and liberals are blue. So left-leaning, right-leaning. Okay, no, that's not that. All right, so anyway, let me just pull out this one right here and let me show you how it works. This is like a universal button that you can do a lot of things with. If you want to lower the sound, you would press this side. If you want to raise the sound, you would press that side. If you wanted to turn them off, you would press and hold this side for 5 seconds. To turn them back on, you would press and hold for 3 seconds, okay? This part here goes into your ear, right? You can see it's red, so that tells me it's the red side. Right here is the contacts on here. If you look inside of the case, you'll see that there's the contacts right there, and that's where they articulate with these spaces right here that charge these. There's no battery in these, okay? And they're supposed to last for about 20 hours. You do have to download the app, and you can use them on the app, and you can raise and lower, turn them on and off, and do a lot of more things than you can with just this button. You don't need the app. You can still use it without that, but you can't fine-tune the sound. On the app, you can do a lot of things with it. So those are the 2 that are that you're going to have, your left and your right here. You'll notice it snaps in because it's magnetic. And then when you're charging them, you just kind of like get your, oops, wrong one. This is the one that came with it, by the way. I just plug it in there. I've got it on a block. And then I would just let it charge up and we're ready to go. Let's go ahead and we'll open up the app. This is your app. And we're going to continue. Now, for me to connect it to this application, it even tells me that I've got to pull them out. So to connect them, you've got to pop them out. It's best not to hold it by the tube. You know what I mean, jelly beans? All right, so now we've done that, and bam, we're in. So here on this app, I can turn it on, I can turn it off, or I can put it on auto. I can also, on the app, raise the left side if I want more sound there, or I can lower it. You see? I can do it on both the left and right. So you have to decide how loud you want it, right? And it shows you left and right, okay? Down here you have enhance. You can do an enhance or you can turn it off. You can hear it. It's kind of like I'm getting close to it, so it's making a funny noise. Down here you can do tuning. You follow me? I can tune it here. I just got to click this, and it brings me over here. And so you can go brighter, you can go deeper, you can raise the volume, and you can do it for either one. So if I pick my left first, I would check this out. If I want to bring the volume down, I just pull it, right? If I wanted to bring this to mid-range, I could do that, right? And then I can try it out. Or I could reset it by clicking that. Whoops, by clicking there. And that just goes back to where it was at. Let's see, let's raise this up to where it was. That was at 14. Now if I want to do the right side, I just click up here. Now I can do the right side and change it. And then you can have a try. On a peaceful afternoon, Emma decided to take a walk to the top of the hill. The sky was clear and gentle breeze felt refreshing. And so it's basically, I would be hearing that through here right now, but I don't have it in my ears. Yeah, so let's go back up here. We'll go back. And so that's let's see if I think I got everything. Oh, here's phone call boosting too. Now, if you have tinnitus, you click that, and you can look at all of these. You could listen to rain. right? You can see it's playing. I could do like heavy rain. And then there's a whole bunch of different ones. You know, this is supposedly helps to get rid of tinnitus in your ear that, you know what I mean? Here's birds. You see when it's doing that, that means it's doing it. And then, yeah, so you got a bunch of them. That's them. Now you can go to your favorites. Let's click on it. And I don't have any favorites yet, but I can make a a list of favorites. Right here is where your battery is. Yeah, I'm pretty much fully charged. Over here, you can look at your profile, your device. You could refer a friend, user's manual, support, a hearing test you can do. You just click that. And then it says you can conduct a hearing test, answer a few questions. Don't worry. You can always change your answers if you're not sure. Check your hearing with our hearing aids and immediately see your results. So yeah, you can do that with that, which is kind of cool. We won't do that right now. But I'm just kind of showing you. Here's home. And then bam, that's what your home page looks like. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.